Need an intelligent smartphone stabilizer that's as creative as you are?
Sure.
Meet Osmo Mobile 6. It's powerful, easy to use, and makes your video super smooth with 3-axis stabilization for results that speak for themselves.
Is it heavy?
Not at all. It's ultralight and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere. Like here or here. And with its magnetic design, you can snap your phone on or off in an instant.
What should I do with it?
Get creative with a new zoom and manual focus control wheel and some excellent intelligent features. You can use the built-in extension rod to capture more dynamic angles. Active Track 5.0 for effortless subject tracking. Like that. Or try gesture control if you're shooting alone. It even has a newly added status panel and 4 preset filming modes that give you great shots anywhere you go.
What if I need a little help?
No problem. There are 2 intuitive apps for shooting and editing. Get some great ideas in the Mimo app's shot guide section. Or you could one-tap edit with the Light Cut app. You can even share your masterpiece in seconds.
Are there any cool accessories?
Absolutely. It's compatible with DJI mic if you need pro-level audio. And it works with a versatile fill light that makes you look great in selfies and vlogs.
Okay, last question. Can I film my dog with it?
Of course you can.
Perfect.